Alright, so we're on Blue Ridge Trail with Tim up in the Wind Rivers up in Wyoming. The other trail that I thought was Blue Ridge was not Blue Ridge. It was a lookout trail up to that really cool rock lookout, which I'll post a video of that rock lookout. It was pretty awesome up there. Definitely a cool thing like to visit or see if you're ever up here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, nice. Cool little rock feature. Yeah. That's a watch your pedals right there. Yeah. And we are going down blind on this because neither of us have been here before, so we're not going to be going race speed if you're wondering. We'll be going fast, safe fast. Oh yeah, oh nice. Heck yeah, buddy. I got a lot of riding in, so I'm feeling pretty good on the bike this year. Yeah, I know. You're doing good though for like not riding hardly at all. It's just like getting on a bike, getting back on a bike, right? Yeah. Nice. Oh. Yeah. Rocks. I mean, if we're just gauging it off the two we've ridden today, this is definitely, I would say, a little more technical. Like, you gotta watch your pedals.
A little more sandy?
Yeah, you gotta watch kind of where you're at. You gotta watch your bars on the trees. This is a pay attention trail. Beautiful up here. Sweet. It's like just raw goodness. Oh! Oh! Oh yeah, look at this thing. Yes! Oh man, this is sick. Cool. You like watch your handlebars. Huh. Oh! Hey, you definitely gotta stay on your toes on this trail. There's rocks, stuff everywhere. This almost reminds me of like a little bit of like whole enchilada vibes. Just way back out there. Yeah. Only our second shuttle ride. We're supposed to do one more today for a red trail, which I forgot the name of already, which we're probably not going to be able to do due to self-shuttling. I think we're going to run out of time. But we'll be back for it another time. Whew. Oh, a little dusty. Getting those dusty corners for sure. Wipe the lens off here. That sand is just slippery. The second time on this trip think you can hit a corner, but that you just can't. That sand is it slides right out from underneath you. At least I got this one on camera. The other one we were just starting. I wasn't recording. Trying to get the other one on camera. Woo! I'll be wearing the spares. Watch out, there's a bunch of fence right here, Tim. Ooh, yeah, that's sketchy if you're bombing down that. Yeah, that'll be a bad day. It's really nice of these guys to paint these fence posts orange.
What'd you think?
It's nice these guys painted these fence posts orange, because that would be a bad day.
Oh, man.
Catching barbed wire coming down this, like in the evening when you're not paying attention. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh man, height. None of these got girth to them. That's like a sagebrush just jumping out and grabbing your pedal, waiting to happen right here. Yeah. Yeah, there's a couple rocks and those sagebrushes are tight. Oh. And you got, it's like, it's kind of, if you make a mistake, you're going into the barbed wire. This is cool though. I got to give him props. Nice. See, they just make the trail around it. They're like, oh, new trail feature.
Holy crap.
That's badass. This must skirt someone's private property, or you think that's a divider between forest land and the wilderness? Oh, barbed wire. Careful. Yeah, this should be it. It's got the same vibe and the same chain marks on the logs from people's chain rings. Oh, I know. This section is definitely less ridden I'm guessing.
I saw this in the